Misty back to discuss with you what to do when you don't know what you want to do with your fabric. So say you have scraps. I have a couple of different scraps that I use when I want to create things, and I sit back and I'm like, what am I gonna do? I'm in such a fog. So, huh, the best way to go about doing this and solving this problem is get you a tub, paper, cut out the paper, and write down suggestions on what you want to make. It really makes it easier. Then you just shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, put it to the side, pick exactly which fabric you want. So we're gonna go with this yellow floral piece because my favorite color is yellow. So now we're just gonna reach back into the tub randomly, or you can pick from whatever you want, but it's easier to do it randomly when you don't know what you want to do. Go in there and you pull out exactly what's gonna be the piece. Okay, so our choice is a, now it's hard to see this, sweetheart crop top. Perfect. So next time you see me, we're gonna be working on a sweetheart crop top in this yellow stretch fabric. Stay tuned. See you there.